Today's report highlights a number of failings in which information about Ian Watkins was investigated between 2008 and 2012, which the force entirely accepts and regrets. South Wales Police failed to listen and properly investigate information about Watkins' offending behaviour. For this, we are truly sorry. In 2012, South Wales Police initiated its own review into the sequence of events prior to the arrest of Ian Watkins. The force identified that there were issues of concern and instigated a comprehensive overhaul of systems, policies and procedures, whilst also voluntarily referring the matter to the Independent Police Complaints Commission. This resulted in the IPCC making a number of recommendations, both in terms of organisational learning and in relation to individual officers. The force has accepted these recommendations and has implemented a range of measures to improve the way we protect the vulnerable people. An independent misconduct panel concluded that the decisions outlined in the allegations put before them contributed to organisational failures. South Wales Police remains committed to supporting its officers and staff who are required to make critical decisions every day. Our primary objective in South Wales Police remains the safeguarding of vulnerable people. We do so by working closely with partner agencies, and we've invested in establishing teams of dedicated and specially trained staff who deal with child protection issues. I am confident that police officers and staff who work in this very challenging area care deeply about the service they provide to victims. The work of the investigation team who brought Watkins to justice resulted in him receiving a 29-year prison sentence for his appalling crimes against children. I know it is difficult taking that first step in reporting child abuse, and that people coming forward need support, but we urge anyone with concerns about a child or young person to get in touch with us immediately. South Wales Police has since improved the way these often complex child abuse investigations are managed by carrying out a detailed review into the public protection processes and structures, which has been acknowledged by the IPCC in this report.